If you're looking to upload your EMS syllabus for Highland and it's not allowing you to upload it, here's what you got to do. Go into your HMS staff notebook, under Content Library and PD Back to School, go ahead and click on HMS Syllabus. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and click on the EMS Syllabus Uploader. When you do, it's going to bring you to a page on OneDrive that looks just like this. Now, if you've gone into middle school and you go to Highland and it does not give you the upload file, the reason for it is it hasn't been unlocked. So if you go back a page and you're on the original page here with elementary, high school, middle school, specialty campuses, click on the link that says 22-23 syllabus directions. In here, there is a link at the very bottom that says visit the shared OneDrive. Click on this link. When you do, it's going to bring you back to this page. However, now the upload has been activated for you. Then you can click on middle school, then you can click on Highland, and you can start uploading all of your syllabus.